All right, as long as I don't spill my coffee while I'm closing this door, we are going to give you guys an update on the compost pile squash. That's right, I've got squash growing out of my compost pile here. It is so quiet except for me yelling to all my neighbors about my squash here at 9 a.m. But check this out right here. We got the squash growing. It's like a fairy tale, isn't it? A magic-a-tool, a bippity-doo, a bippity-boppity-boo. Can you clearly tell I don't know the words? Now, this one over here is a kabocha squash, I believe, and it's doing okay. It has flowers on it and shit like that, but I don't see any squashes yet. But if we look down in here, yeah, look at these beasts. This is my hand, and I don't have a huge hand, but I don't have a small hand, you know? So I got two of those right there, and then all right, apparently I hit a button and screwed up my video, but I got two of these here, and then I got one right over here hiding that's about the same size as those, and that's all I see for now. I've got more flowers here coming in. There's another squash right down there that is just starting to form. That's what they look like when they just start out, that little guy right there. Oh, and there's one on the end there that is starting too, so should have a couple more here. So it looks like I'm actually going to get some squash as long as I can keep the damn rabbits away. So far, so good. I keep them at bay with my pellet. Can't say that on some of these platforms. So with a air thing that fires pellets. Is this what the world has come to? Well, anyway, I have squash growing.